Have you ever had that where you export an Acumatica report to Excel
Yeah.
and the headings just vanish? Like they're
Yeah.
there on the screen in the PDF.
Right.
You get to that Excel file and poof.
Gone.
So we're going to dive into that today. And we've
Okay.
got Deba with us. She's an associate principal consultant at Tayana Solutions. And she's
Uh-huh.
tackled like over 250 different Acumatica scenarios.
She must have seen a lot.
Yeah, she has.
Yeah.
And she actually helped a client with this very setting problem.
Okay.
So basically, their report headings were showing up everywhere except when exported to Excel.
I can imagine that'd be pretty frustrating trying to make sense of the data without the
Oh,
labels.
totally.
Yeah.
So Deba,
Yeah.
being the Acumatica whiz that she is,
Uh-huh.
she starts digging into it.
Right.
She knows they're there somewhere.
Hmm.
So it's like, where are they hiding?
Yeah, yeah.
So she goes into the Excel grid view in the report design,
Okay.
specifically the field section, because that's where you kind of tell Acumatica how to structure the data
Right.
for Excel.
Makes sense.
And she sees that all the missing headings, they were all sharing the same Excel cell value.
Oh, so like they're all trying to cram into the same space.
Exactly. It's like assigning 10 people to the same seat on a bus.
Yeah, total chaos.
And it's like one of those things, once you see it,
Right.
you're like, oh, duh.
Yay.
But figuring it out, that's the tricky part.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's amazing how like one tiny thing can have a huge impact.
It really is. And this is where Deba's expertise really comes in, right?
Yeah.
Because it's one thing to know where the setting is,
Yeah.
but it's another to understand how it actually affects the output.
Exactly.
So how did she fix it? Well, she gave each of those fields its own unique Excel cell value.
Okay.
So instead of having them all as 2:1, she changed it to 2:2:3, and so on.
So it's like giving everyone their own assigned seat.
Exactly. Problem solved.
Wow, simple but elegant.
Right. And that's what Tayana Solutions is all about.
Yeah, tell me more about them.
Well, they've got a whole team of experienced Acumatica consultants, just like
Yeah.
Deba, and they're ready to tackle any challenge you throw at them.
So they've seen pretty much everything.
Pretty much. They've worked with all sorts of Acumatica additions from distribution and manufacturing to e-commerce.
Okay.
And they've handled everything from basic report customization to complex integrations.
That's really impressive.
Right. And that kind of broad experience is super valuable because it means they can see the bigger picture.
Yeah, it's not just about fixing one little thing. It's about understanding how everything's connected.
Exactly. And that's what sets them apart. They don't just offer quick fixes.
Right.
They take a holistic approach, making sure that the solutions are tailored to your business and won't cause problems down the road.
That's so important.
So if you're an Acumatica consultant out there and you're banging your head against a wall with some issue,
Yeah.
or you just want to level up your Acumatica skills,
Mhm.
remember Tayana Solutions is just a phone call away.
Like having your own personal Acumatica SWAT team.
Yes, exactly. Their number is 678-910-2774. Give them a call. Tell them about your challenges and see how they can help you unlock the full potential of Acumatica.
I love that. Unlock the full potential.
Right? Because it really is a powerful platform when you know how to use it.
Absolutely.
So yeah, think back to Deba's story next time you're wrestling with an Acumatica report.
Yeah.
That Excel cell setting might just be the key to a smooth and successful export.
Makes you wonder what other hidden gems are lurking in those settings.
It's kind of like sometimes the simplest solutions are the best ones.
Yeah, totally.
You don't always have to overcomplicate things.
Right.
Sometimes it's just about taking a step back and understanding the logic behind those settings.
Exactly. And once you get that, it's like a whole new world opens up.
Totally. So yeah, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep into the world of Acumatica.
Happy configuring.
And if you find yourself needing a helping hand along the way, you know who to call.
Tayana Solutions.
That's exactly. They're the Acumatica experts ready to tackle any challenge, big or small. So yeah, give them a shout and see how they can help you unlock the full potential of Acumatica.